Hi, I'm Dara, and this is day 5 of 27 weeks to build a real-life, million-dollar local business. So guess what? We have a name. This morning, I registered enjoymaids.com. Oh, and thanks to an amazing groover who sent me a coupon code for 25% off. So yeah, here's our total spend to date. In addition to coming up with a name, I'm writing my one-page business plan today. When Rohan suggested creating a business plan, I got super nervous, as I didn't want to take 20 days to put together something that meant very little.
I think the main gist behind this is to lay out a simple roadmap. Like super simple. But what it does, it stops us from doing the whole, let me create like a 50-page business plan and take 3 weeks doing that. A lot of the times, people that do that never get started.
Yeah.
And it's really not needed because it's like there's so much to figure out that can only be figured out once you start building the actual business. You know what I mean? So we don't try to pre-solve things, we just try to solve things as they happen. So we come up with a problem, we solve it. We come up with another problem, we solve it. But we're not going to sit down and map out 1 month of solutions that we don't even know our problem until we get started.
But of course, in true Rohan fashion, the business plan is only 1 page, and it's meant to get your thoughts and goals down on paper in a manner that won't slow you down. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'll sell cleaning services. My metrics for success will be a 6-figure a month business. Hey, since we're building $1 million business and all. And obstacles are probably going to be something like finding loyal and great staff. So there you go. That is my business plan. Enjoy Maids is one step closer to becoming $1 million service business. Next week, we're going to talk about web design and what goes into creating a well-converting website. All right. See you then.